Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error codes 0x80070002 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet connection speed here. Is it good enough? If not, then try to change it to a 5G connection. Usually it works in my case. And if that doesn't work either, then pull your computer closer to the router. Okay, just check what happens now. The internet connection will be much faster. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run and paste it and hit enter. I'll tell you what it does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.